Thanks for joining me on this video today. If you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the red button below, and please like, comment, or share, and we will jump on it. Doggone. Hope everybody's doing well today. Today I'm coming at you with just a, I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I am going to just let down this hair, and let's see what we can come up with. Now hold on. I notice my hair's been doing that a lot, but I gotta snip because I don't want to pull out. Well, these are some cute little ringlets. Look at this. I may have to just let it down today. I was gonna do updo. Haven't had my hair cornrowed like this in a while, but yeah, I think I may. Let's see how the rest comes out. I'm not sure because I didn't twist it all, flat twist it all, so we'll see what we're working with. See, I had cornrowed the back. And I didn't bring my almond oil. And my battery is running out. I did not charge it last night. It's so crazy, y'all, because I finally got a really large SD card. So now that's not the problem. But the problem, and I have a new battery, but I'm waiting for this battery to really like drain all the way out before I put it in a brand new battery. So I'm noticing it is, gosh, my brain is fried. I'm just gonna let this run until the battery goes out, and I'll have to come back later to show you the results. Or what I'll do is, I don't know what I'm going to do. I was planning on doing this video today. I always forget to check my battery. Now this is how it looks braided. Pain in the butt. What a pain in the butt. I can hurry up and get these. Let me stop this video and then I'm going to come back with it finished. Untwisted. Okay, I'm fully untwisted. I'm going to go ahead and leave one of the twists in, the cornrow, and I'm just going to put 2 beads and swing this underneath and bring this over. And I'm just going to lightly separate. I think I may leave it down. I don't think I'm going to do too much to it today. I'm going to let it fall as it may. So, this is it, people. This is it. This is the quickest video I ever did. But thanks for watching. I do like it. It's really cute. It has crinkly curls, and I love it. And it was so simple. I had my hair twisted for about 2 days after the blow dry. Ooh, I almost dropped the comb. But this is, there you have it. And close-up shot. If you like, just drop your comments below. Quick, simple, do. We'll talk later. Bye.